Hi everybody, welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. On Saturday, April 27th from 10 to 4, come join us for the Dia Culture Fair. We will be celebrating the many cultures, heritages, and languages in our local community. There will be performances, crafts to be made, and community organization tables to visit. It'll be fun for the entire family. Our Take It, Make It for May are these cute little May baskets. You can put all kinds of fun things in them. We put candy in them because we're crazy about candy. Chocolate, to be specific. The how-to tutorial will be available on our social media pages on May 1st. Don't forget about the Stitch Together on Mondays from 1 to 2:30 and the English conversation group on Thursdays from 2 to 3:30. In the teen department, your teen DIY for Monday, April 22nd, they're going to be creating pom-poms. And on April 29th, they will be making marble clay bowls. This program is from 6 to 8. Teen book tasting is Thursday, April 25th from 6 to 8. Come try out a new book in the literary take on speed dating. Sounds like fun. In the children's department, tween crafting on Thursday, April 25th from 6 to 8 will be dream catchers. And on Saturday, May 4th from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., local author Elizabeth Pierce Smith will be here to have a story time featuring her book, It's Not the Same, a Footnote Garden Tale. Don't forget about the other programs in children's like Tail Wagging Reads. Just check the event calendar for all the other details. Gardening time is here, you guys. Here are just a couple of books from our gardening section. We have a lot, and they're all really good. We have some new ones too. And we have one on seed saving, which is perfect for us to go learn about our seed library. Hi, I'm here today with our director, Hannah, and she's going to talk to us about our new seed library. She's going to tell us how it started and what the purpose is.
Well, last year we received a large donation from the Northwest Arkansas Food Bank, boxes and boxes of Baker Creek seeds, and we proceeded to hand some seed packets out during gardening programs. And with the remaining seed packets, I started to research and create a seed library.
Awesome.
The purpose of the seed library is to enrich the community through learning and sharing. It also helps to mitigate food insecurity. So participants are learning self-reliance, how to grow their own food. And it also preserves the health of our local plants and just creates a healthier environment.
Yeah, true. Okay, so how does it work? Do you have to have a library card?
You don't have to have a library card if you want to participate. You can only borrow 3 seed packets per month. You do have to fill out a borrower form. So you would choose your 3 seed packets and then go to the reference desk and fill out your borrower form. And if you choose to contribute more, we ask for donations. And so you can save some of the seed that you've grown from what you've borrowed, or you can also bring in some seed packets that maybe you're not using at home that you know you won't use of commercially grown seeds. And so that way we're sharing, we're in that process of contributing, and other people can borrow the seed that you've donated.
Okay, so does it always have to be food seed or can it be flowers
No, we
too?
have vegetables, we have flowers and herbs.
Oh, okay, cool. And there's a form to fill out if you donate?
Yes, there is also a donation form that we need for you to fill out when you donate seeds. Your seeds need to be clean and dry, and they need to be in an envelope or a bag, and then you would fill out the donation form and attach those to the seeds that you donate.
Oh, cool. Okay. All right. So you can borrow 3 packs a month,
Yes,
and you can donate as many as you want.
that's right.
Okay. And then you can come back next month and get 3 more.
That's right.
Cool. Awesome. Okay, so there's raised flower beds on the east end of the library, and I know people are probably wondering what those are all about. Can you tell me about those?
Well, last year I was researching ways to use our green space for programming.
Mm-hmm.
And I really like the idea of having a community type garden that we can use for programming, where we can teach patrons of all ages how to grow food, how to grow flowers and herbs. And so I reached out to the Rogers Parks and Recreation Department, and they came over and built 2 raised beds for us to use for
Okay.
programming. And then later in the fall, our custodian, Jesse Smith, he owns Ulf Fell Farms in Garfield. He filled the raised beds with compost soil and mulch, and we let that sit over the winter and settle. And then we had the Rogers Garden Club here this spring, and they held 2 programs where they planted potato seeds and spinach and a few other items that are growing in there now. And we'll continue to have more gardening programs. And the other garden where nothing's growing yet will have youth programs, and then that will be also used for staff to share and try their hand at growing.
Awesome. That's cool. If you've never gardened before, it's a good way to learn how. Be sure and come browse our seed library. We have some really great seeds. So for now, hope you all have another couple of wonderful weeks. Bye.